welcome cookies. It's Miss B. I am so excited. Today's our first day of kindergarten for this school year. Do you know how many years Miss B's been in kindergarten? 25. Can you believe it? I guess that must be where I need to be. We're going to start our day exactly the way we do in the classroom with a song. Now, you're going to see it here, but if you go to the separate slide deck, you'll be able to play it on your own because Miss B's still learning how to do all this. So we're going to go on and just review a few things. These are our classroom rules for being here on the computer. Number one, got to be on time. I start our meetings about 10 minutes before we need to, so hop on early. You need to act like you're at school, which means things like sitting up and raising your hand, which is another rule. Sit in one spot during class unless we need to get up and move around. We're going to keep ourselves muted right now, and you're going to turn on your video if your parents are okay with that. Raise your hand when you want to talk. Make sure you're listening to Miss B. We like to try and say don't eat during class because you won't be eating in here. And have fun and do your best. So, while you're there, make sure you practice on our meets the microphone to talk and the turning it off, which is muting yourself. And as you can see, this is it right here down below. That's the bar that pops up when we're doing it. We listened to a story today called Miss Bendergarten Gets Ready for Kindergarten. And if you go through the separate slide deck, I have the link to me reading it so that you can listen to it. So this is the cover of the book, and it says Miss Bendergarten Gets Ready for Kindergarten. That is the title. So when you're done listening to the stories and doing the song, I want you to draw a picture of you getting ready for school. And I want you to write your name the best you can where I can see it. And then have a grown-up send me a picture of your paper either through email or Class Dojo. And have your picture ready to share at 3:30 or on Tuesday. If you have more time today, read a book. Find the title of the book. Practice logging into Clever, that's the big C. And then find the Schoology button, which is the S. I do have a Bitmoji classroom up there that you can click on and listen to some stories and learn how to draw Baby Yoda. Then, one thing you'll need for tomorrow. That paper you see in the bottom corner, may not be able to see it because of me. Let me move me over here. There you go. Now you can see it. Bring that paper to our class meeting tomorrow. We're going to do something with it then. I am so excited you are in my class, and I will see you at 3:30 or tomorrow.